In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Apollo.io. This process is simple and secure, so let's jump right in. First, make your way to the Apollo website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL or search for Apollo.io if you're not sure of the exact address. Once the homepage loads up, you'll be greeted with various options, but your focus should be on the Login button. It's generally located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this to proceed to the Login page. Now that you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, ensure you have your verification method handy. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard or home page of your Apollo account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make navigation easier. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar or menu and look for Admin Settings. This option is a gateway to managing various account preferences and security features. Click on Admin Settings, and this will bring you to a more detailed settings page. Once you're in the Admin Settings area, look for and click on All Settings. This will expand a list of all possible settings you can adjust. You should now see an option labeled Profile. It's usually accompanied by a user icon, making it easy to spot. Click on Profile, and you're almost there. Inside the Profile section, you will find the Edit Password option. Clicking here will take you to the password update area. This is where the magic happens. Before you enter a new password, think about the security aspect. Your new password should be robust. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is recommended to enhance security. Now, go ahead and enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure it's something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Some systems may require you to re-enter the new password to confirm there are no typos, so keep an eye out for that requirement. Once you're confident in your choice, look for the Save button, which is usually highlighted to catch your attention. Click Save, and just like that, your password is updated. If you followed these steps correctly, you should receive a confirmation message indicating success. Take note of this new password for future logins, but remember to store it securely. With your password change complete, your account is now more secure and you can continue using Apollo.io with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance.